Summertime is upon us, and there's nothing more wonderful than a nice cold glass of pink lemonade. And today, I'm gonna be making pink lemonade cookies. This is gonna be good. You could watch me make it, and you may learn a few things along the way. We need a bowl and 2 sticks of softened butter, a cup of sugar, and a ½ cup of pink lemonade powder mix. I'm using Countrytime lemonade, of course. Do you know Countrytime has been around since 1975, but their pink lemonade has been around since 1976. And I'm gonna mix that with the mixer until nice and fluffy. So pink lemonade has actually been around since the 1800s. They're saying mid to late 1800s. It actually came out during the time period that the circus was popular. It said it came to be one day when they were making lemonade at the circus and they ran out of water. So they looked around and they found 1 bucket of used dirty water. And it was dirty because one of the performers was washing out their pink tights. So they used that water and the crowd loved the color. Hence, pink lemonade came to be. Add an egg, teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a teaspoon of lemon extract. Blend it together. There's actually a park near me where they have all these drinking fountains, and out of the drinking fountains comes only pink lemonade. No lie. For the dry ingredients, I need 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. Stir those together. I'll add about a cup of flour at a time and blend it each time. If at this point you would like it to be a little bit more pink, you can add a couple drops of red food coloring and mix that in there. Time to add some fun to these cookies. I'm adding Twizzlers. I've chopped them up nice and small, like chocolate chip size. I'm gonna mix those right inside. Twizzlers came to be in 1845. That is so long ago. And they were created by the Young and Smiley Company. Twizzlers are known for that twisted shape, and they actually didn't get this shape until 1929. And that's actually when Twizzlers got the name because of the twisted shape. Twizzlers. So I'm gonna roll that dough into 1-inch balls, roll it in some granulated sugar, and put it on a baking tray. Makes mouth happy. Now you're gonna bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 18 minutes. You can rotate the tray halfway through, and you want it to when the edges are just beginning to brown. Pink lemonade cookies. Let's try them. They are wonderful. Very summery. And I love that little bit of Twizzler hiding inside. Why was the lemon depressed? It lost all of its zest.